Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cotton candy floss right at home. First, let's gather our essential equipment. You'll need a reliable cotton candy machine, your favorite floss sugar, and some paper cones. Make sure your machine is sparkling clean and preheated properly. Also, pick a well-ventilated spot for your sweet creations. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable cotton candy making experience for everyone. Now that your machine is ready, turn it on and let it preheat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is crucial for the sugar to melt correctly. Next, carefully pour 1 or 2 scoops of your chosen floss sugar directly into the center head of the machine. Remember not to overfill it. Too much sugar can cause clogs and prevent the delicate floss from forming properly. Patience here will lead to perfect results. As the machine heats up, you'll soon see beautiful, delicate strands of floss sugar beginning to emerge from the spinning head. This is the magic happening. Take a paper cone and hold it horizontally, just above the emerging floss. Gently rotate the cone, winding the sugary threads around it. Continue this motion, moving the cone up and down slightly, until you've gathered a wonderfully fluffy cloud of cotton candy. For the best cotton candy, always try to maintain a consistent temperature throughout the process. This ensures a steady flow of floss. Don't be afraid to experiment with various floss sugar flavors. There are so many delicious options to explore. Finally, remember to clean your machine thoroughly after every use. This simple step will keep your cotton candy maker in excellent condition for many sweet adventures to come. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.